American women workers in white uniforms oversee the sources of fresh potatoes from trusted local farms, ensuring.
Upon arrival, American women workers in white uniforms carefully unload crates of potatoes, maintaining hygiene and handling the produce with care.
Samples of potatoes are taken by lab technicians dressed in white uniforms to test for pesticide residues and freshness.
Advanced scanning equipment operated by American women workers in white uniforms detects internal defects and ensures only the best potatoes proceed.
American women workers sort the potatoes into categories based on size and quality, ensuring uniformity for consistent chip production.
Batch 7D, average weight is 220 grams, origin Smith Farm.
Confirmed. Logging the inspection results now.
Throughout the sourcing and inspection process, Caucasian male workers adhere to strict hygiene protocols, wearing white uniforms, gloves, and hairnets. After inspection, American women workers in white uniforms prepare the potatoes for the next phase by organizing them for washing.
American women workers in white uniforms carefully transport the inspected potatoes from storage to the washing area, ensuring gentle handling to prevent damage.
Specialized scrubbing machines operated by American women workers thoroughly clean the potatoes, removing stubborn. Clean potatoes are moved by American women workers to automated peeling machines, maintaining hygiene throughout the process.
For any potatoes requiring extra attention, American women workers perform manual peeling to ensure uniformity and quality.
Peelings are collected and managed responsibly, with East Asian female workers ensuring the waste is processed sustainably.
This one looks good. Yes, fully peeled. Ready for slicing.
Throughout washing and peeling potatoes, American women workers adhere to strict hygiene protocols, wearing white uniforms, gloves, and hairnets.
Inspection complete. The machine is sanitized and ready for operation.
The machine sliced the potatoes into thin, uniform pieces, essential for producing crispy Lay's chips.
American women workers in white uniforms perform manual inspections to remove any irregular or damaged slices before frying.
Sliced potatoes are transferred to drying conveyors, where female workers monitor moisture levels to prepare slices for frying.
Throughout the slicing potatoes process, East Asian male workers in white uniforms follow strict hygiene protocols, including wearing gloves and hairnets.
Keep an eye on the consistency here. Looks good. Moving them to the fryer now.
Women workers in white uniforms carefully transport the sliced potatoes from the drying conveyors to the frying vats.
Maintain this flow rate. See the specification here.
Understood. The gauge is holding steady.
Test results are positive. We are clear.
Potato slices are loaded into large, automated frying vats by American women workers, who oversee the process to ensure even cooking.
American workers in white uniforms closely monitor frying temperature and timing to achieve the ideal crispiness without burning the chips. Frying vats are equipped with stirring mechanisms to keep potato slices moving, ensuring uniform frying.
Once perfectly golden, American women workers use automated conveyors to remove the crispy chips from the hot oil safely.
The color consistency is good on this batch, and the snap is perfect. Very crispy. Acceptable for shipping.
Throughout the frying process, East Asian workers in white uniforms adhere to strict hygiene and safety protocols.
The mixing drums rotate continuously, tumbling the chips gently to distribute the yogurt and herb seasoning uniformly. The mixing drums rotate continuously, tumbling the chips gently to distribute the yogurt and herb seasoning uniformly.
Before packaging, American women workers conduct a final visual and taste inspection to confirm the yogurt and herbs flavor meets Lay's standards.
American women workers in white uniforms carefully collect samples of yogurt and herbs flavored Lay's chips for detailed quality analysis.
Workers examine the chips under bright lighting to ensure the yogurt and herb seasoning is evenly distributed and the color meets Lay's standards. Using tactile methods, American workers assess the crispiness and texture of the chips to guarantee the perfect crunch.
We need to adjust the seasoning levels. The last batch was inconsistent.
All right, I'm making the changes to the frying temperature now.
Once the yogurt and herbs flavored chips pass all quality checks, American workers give the final approval for packaging.
Throughout the quality control phase, workers in white uniforms adhere to strict hygiene protocols, including wearing gloves and masks.
Brickling. American women workers in white uniforms prepare food-grade bags and cartons specifically designed for yogurt and herb.
Packaging machines fill each bag with the exact weight of chips, ensuring consistency across all yogurt and herbs flavored Lay's products.
The seasoned yogurt and herbs flavored chips are carefully loaded into automated packaging machines by American women workers.
Packaging machines fill each bag with the exact weight of chips, ensuring consistency across all yogurt and herbs flavored Lay's products.
Make sure the yogurt and herb boxes are prioritized for the afternoon shipment.
Already on the pallet, wrapping them now.
The yogurt and herbs flavored chips are stored in temperature and humidity controlled warehouses to preserve freshness and maintain quality. Finished products are stored in climate-controlled warehouses to maintain the quality and flavor of the yogurt and herbs Lay's chips.
All packaging activities are logged meticulously by American workers to ensure traceability and efficient inventory control.
Make sure the yogurt and herb boxes are prioritized for the afternoon shipment.
Already on the pallet, wrapping them now.
The yogurt and herbs flavored chips are stored in temperature and humidity controlled warehouses to preserve freshness and maintain quality.
Inventory updated for the cheese puffs.
Good. We need to make sure the spicy ones are easily accessible on the middle shelf.
All packaging activities are logged meticulously by American workers to ensure traceability and efficient inventory control.
American workers inspect sealed bags for proper sealing, accurate labeling, and overall presentation to ensure product quality.
Before dispatch, middle-aged African-American male workers in white uniforms perform final
The yogurt and herbs flavored Lay's chips are carefully loaded into refrigerated trucks by American workers, maintaining optimal conditions during transit.
If we route through Dallas first, we cut transit time by 6 hours.
That works, assuming the weather holds up in the Midwest.
Using advanced tracking systems, American staff monitor shipments of yogurt and herbs flavored Lay's chips in real time to ensure timely delivery.
The flavored Lay's chips are delivered to retail stores and distributors across the country, making them available to consumers everywhere.